Hello, I'm Beatrice, and I'm part of the Mathematics VR team. Together with Ludwig Maximilian's University, we've created VIRTEX under the European Commission funding, the Cortex Open Call. VIRTEX is an educational platform that connects trainers and trainees online, multi-user and multi-platform, so that education can be advanced in Industry 5.0. I'm going to show you the trainer workflow and then the trainee workflow. Trainers can connect online and they can create an account. And it works very much like Kahoot, where you would then send your class code to the trainees so they can log in. And you can choose from different scenarios. So this is supposed to be industry agnostic and drag and drop. So there's no code. After you see all of the variables of the simulation, as a trainer, you can put a name in the description and then launch it. We've included different Cortex features such as rainbow cores, scene synchronization, COVA, IoT, and user and management interface. Then the trainee can also create an account, web-based, very easily, just with their username and email, and join the class code that the trainer created. They can do this and launch the session through VR, for example, or web-based. They will load the simulation and see a description, and then they will need to perform the task. They can also join the simulation web-based, so they visualize the simulation code, and they visualize that there's an existing session, and they can join it. So this is multi-user. This is COVA.
Good morning. How are you doing?
And this is IoT, where you can see different virtual devices, such as a thermometer, and you can see the variables and what you're supposed to do. When you identify a risk, because this is a decision-making scenario, there will always be a description of what you've done correctly and what you haven't, so that learning is reinforced. This is the plant industrial scenario. We just saw the one in healthcare. Now this is the educational one. And there's also a commercial one, so shopping malls and the sorts. We support different headsets. That is why we're multi-platform. You can log in through MetaQuest 2, 3, 3S, but also we support different browsers, such as Edge, Opera, and Chrome, as well as different languages, English, Spanish, German, French, and Italian. We really aim to be inclusive. You can see the analytics once you've finished your session, VR-based or also web-based. So you can see the duration, what you've done correctly, and what you haven't. Again, this is a VIRTEX project funded by the EU in collaboration with Mathematics VR and LMU. Thank you very much, everybody.